Lenovo K14 is a standard choice made available by the brand under $10K. The particular smartphone gets a triple rear camera setup on the rear side along with an 8MP front camera for seamless video calls and impressive selfies. However, when compared to other devices available within the same price range, the processor layout loaded within lags behind the rest. Overall, Lenovo K14 is quite an impressive offering for your daily operations, but would not be an appropriate choice if you are into hardcore games or other activities which require massive internal storage. Display and camera. Lenovo K14 gets a 6.5 inches IPS LCD featuring a 1600 by 720 screen resolution, 270 ppi pixel density, and a 20:9 aspect ratio. The bezel-less front screen of the particular gets a water drop notch at the top. Speaking of cameras, the rear camera array loaded within features a 13MP primary shooter, a 2MP depth camera, and another 2MP macro sensor. HDR mode, autofocus, digital zoom, face detection, and exposure compensation are some of the back camera functionalities. There is an 8MP main shooter on the front for crisp selfies, optical facial unlock and video calls. Configuration and battery. Lenovo K14 packs 3GB RAM along with an octa-core processor setup running at a clock speed of 1.6 GHz. The 5000 mAh non-removable Li-ion-type battery loaded within promises prolonged operations once fully charged. Storage and connectivity. Lenovo K14 gets 32GB internal storage, which can be expanded up to 256GB with a microSD card. 4G VoLTE, USB Type-C, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.0, and AGPS are the loaded options.